Hey folks, good day. This is Malik here once again for my channel Swift Nimbus. I hope you're all doing good. And this video I'll be mainly focusing on changing the M-Pen for Huawei Mate 20X, on how to change the pen tip. I had a few inquiries on my comment section on how do I change the pen nip, or you can call it the pen tip. So here is the Huawei Mate 20X M-Pen. So you can see the pen tip here. By default, the Huawei M-Pen comes with 2 spare pen tips. So I will show you by unboxing this item. And you can see here it comes with 2 spare pen tip, and you cannot use any OEM version of this pen tip. You need to get it from Huawei directly if you have the Huawei Mate 20 M-Pen being spoiled. So I'll show you how to replace this pen tip onto the M-Pen. So let's check out, guys. In order to replace the pen tip, you need to hold onto the pen tip using your finger and turn anti-clockwise to unscrew it from the M-Pen. So my fingers are quite big, I can't actually pinch and unscrew them. For that I'll be using a plier. Definitely plier will give some kind of a mark onto this pen tip. Make sure you do not directly hold against the pen tip, just above slightly here, and then just anti-clockwise turn, unscrew the pen. Once it's out, just unscrew it slightly, and there you go. I've unscrewed the pen tip from the M-Pen. Right, so now I'll screw back the M-Pen pen tip, the new one that I have got along with the set. So I have one of the spare here. I will take out one of the 2 spares. So this is the brand new pen tip for Mate 20X M-Pen. So just slot it in, and then using your fingertip just screw back in a clockwise way. So there you go. I have already screwed the new pen tip onto the M-Pen. So let's try it out on my Mate 20X. So it works, and I will write here, hello, hi, it's done. Okay guys, I hope this video has been useful to you on how to change the M-Pen pen tip. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will be putting up the links on where to get the spare Huawei M-Pen tip. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you in another tutorial. Bye.